What are action words? When we do something, what are we doing? We are doing some actions. So we will see action words. Come. So students, see behind. These are all the actions that we do. Let us see one by one. Come. This is walking. This is walking. हम चलते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Walking. This is walking. This is running. When we play, what we do? Outdoor plays करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं हम? खेलते हैं तो we run. So this is running. This is playing. This is playing. हम शाम को क्या करते हैं? We play. This is playing. हम खेलते हैं. What is she doing? She is smiling. She is smiling. वो हंस रही है. What is the girl doing? She is smiling. What is the boy doing? He is laughing. What is he doing? He is laughing. जोर जोर से हंसना इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Laughing. Oh, she is crying. What is the girl doing? She is crying. Yeah, eating. What we do? हम सब क्या करते हैं दोपहर में, लंच में? We eat. Okay, कैसे हम खाते हैं? Through our mouth. Yesterday we did that, no? Mouth. What is he doing? Eating. Drinking. What we drink? Water, milk, shakes. This is drinking. What is she doing? Drinking. Dancing. We all like to dance. What is the boy doing? Dancing. What is the boy doing? Reading. How we read? We take the books out and we read. What is he doing? Reading. What is the girl doing? Writing. With pen or pencil. Writing. Yawning. जब हमको नींद आती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? मुंह खोल के yawn करते हैं ना? Even we say excuse me or sorry. That are good manners. What is she doing? Yawning. And the boy is sitting. So students, what are the action words we saw? Ma'am is standing. I am standing. This is standing. So if I sit, it is sitting. What is ma'am doing? She is sitting. Then walk. This is walking. What is ma'am doing? She is walking. This is running. This is running. Then comes playing. What we do with this ball? We play. This is playing. Then comes dancing. What is ma'am doing? Dancing. Then reading. With the books, what we do? We read. Reading. Then comes writing. And yawning. So we say excuse me or sorry when we yawn. This is called yawning. This is eating. This is eating. This is drinking. This is drinking. This is jumping. What am I doing? Jumping. So students, take out page number 45 of your GK book. See, action words tell us what someone is doing, कौन क्या कर रहा है वो हमको पता चलता है with action words. So recognize the picture and take right on the correct action word. Recognize the picture यानी पिक्चर को देख के समझो आप कि वो क्या कर रहा है. What is the girl doing? Is she eating or reading? Eating यानी हम खाते हैं, reading यानी हम पढ़ते हैं. तो वो क्या कर रही है? She is eating. The same way, this boy is laughing or is he sad? Laughing खुश होते हैं, ये sad होता है. What is he doing? जब हम खुश होते हैं तो डांस करते हैं, हाथ ऐसे फैलाते हैं. What is he doing? Yes, laughing. So students, you have to complete by yourself. What is this? Cycling. हम साइकिल चलाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं cycling. Studying यानी हम पढ़ते हैं उसको बोलते हैं studying. Reading यानी when we read हम जोर से बोल के कुछ read करते हैं. And writing we write with the pen or pencil. हम लिखते हैं उसको writing बोलते हैं. Playing यानी we play with ball or with anything. Games जब हम play करते हैं that is playing. Sitting means to sit on something. Chair, stools, right? Sofa. This is sitting. Writing, reading, singing. A B C D. What is ma'am doing? She is singing a song of A B C D. So that is singing. Dancing is with the hands and legs we do actions. That is called dancing. Then comes exercising. Exercise, physical exercise हम करते हैं. Walking भी physical में आती है, yoga भी आता है. So that is called exercise. So students, complete this work. You will meet